Your boy J Will back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna set up a campaign on Clickbank from scratch, direct linking. Let's get it.
Slime like vibes. We got hit the hate. Got my boy J Will with me. Yeah. Got the bootleg with you. And then we got OG in the cut. Yeah. Back.
You already know.
Clickbank is the product we're gonna promote. Gluconite, blood sugar product, average commission, $145. We're gonna head over to Microsoft Ads, type in Gluconite. Let's say $600 a day. Do Canada. Australia. United Kingdom. United States. New Zealand. Ah, crap. New Zealand. Uncheck this box, move over to the next one. Gonna grab some keywords right here. Gluconite, order Gluconite, buy Gluconite. Where can I buy Gluconite? Exact and phrase match. Copy and paste this in our keywords. Bow. Gluconite. Add our second ad group right here. Review. Delete this. Gluconite. Review. Gluconite. Scam. Make keyword list. Gluconite scam. Gluconite review. Copy and paste that over here. Whoops. Right here. Bow. Create our ad. Gonna do. Alright, so we gonna go Gluconite supplement. Ah, crap. Supplement 90% off today only, free shipping. Click Magic, create your Gluconite link, grab that tracking link like this, copy that, bring that to the tracking URL, paste that in there, slash query string dash device. Bow. Gonna paste it up in here. Grab this hop link, copy that. Use this as the mobile and final URL. Okay, so this is how your ad should look with the description. You can pause it on this Catch that. I'm gonna save that. Copy. Edit this one. Call gluconite. Gonna say pills. Whoops. Pills. Save that one. Copy this one. This one you're gonna put gluconite. Let's go to the next one. Whoops. Gonna copy this, add to all of the groups. Edit this one. Gluconite review. Save. Copy. Gluconite scam. Save, and that should be it for that. All right, so we're gonna stroll to the bottom, save and go to the next step. I'm gonna maximize automated bidding, set my bid so to get the most clicks. I'm gonna put $3. Come on, $3. It's not working. Oh. There we go, $3.50. Add distribution, being an LL only, and that's all. Okay, so I'm gonna run this campaign for a few days, see how this go. If you want to copy this campaign, just start this video over, pause it, set it up, test it out. You can do this with any product on Clickbank. But in the meanwhile, you guys like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. Have a good night.